Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock Summer Bamboo Leaves Jumpsuit in Heartopia during the Midsummer Rhyme event. Okay, let's get into it guys. There is a new event in Heartopia called Midsummer Rhyme, and from this event, you will be able to get new items. One of the new items is the Summer Bamboo Leaves Jumpsuit, and it costs 180 Astralis Mugwort leaves. So if you want to buy something from here, you need to farm Astralis Mugwort leaf by completing your daily request here. You can also join the Dragon Boat event at the Central Square. If you want to join it, go to this menu, Dryland Dragon Boat Challenge, and it will give you the Astralis Mugwort leaf. Okay, and you can go to the exchange store, then you can purchase this item. I haven't unlocked it yet because I haven't had enough Australis mugwort leaves. I still need to farm. But it's so cute guys. Okay guys, and that's how we can unlock the Summer Bamboo Leaves jumpsuit in Heartopia Midsummer Rhyme event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!